Have you ever said yes to something that you didn't want to, just to avoid conflict? Or walked away from a conversation thinking, I wish I had spoken? Then you are not alone, and that's why I created this channel. Hi everybody, Sivaro, Namaste, Sasriyakal, and Adab. I am Monica Limbu and I welcome all of you to Soft Skills with Monica, your space to learn how to speak up, stand tall, and show up confidently, without being rude, passive, or aggressive. Today, we are diving into one soft skill that can transform your communication, confidence, and your career, and that's assertiveness. By the end of this video, you will understand what assertive communication really is, and I'll give you simple technique/tool for all of you to get equipped so that you can start using it by today itself. Let's get one thing clear. ये जो मैं assertiveness reels बनाती हूँ अपनी shorts में, मेरे Instagram page में भी अगर आप connected हो, you'll get to see that I create a lot of videos in and around assertiveness, passive and aggressiveness. But what assertiveness is actually? Well, understand, assertiveness is not about being loud. It's nothing to do about you being loud or rude. It's about expressing your thoughts confidently and yet maintaining your energy, vibe, and also keeping yourself secure. It is about expressing your needs, your thoughts, your expressions respectfully, and always keeping in mind that you actually value yourself. In the process, do not disrespect anyone else. Let's picture this. Passive people, just to avoid conflict, they keep mum and speak something that the other person wants to hear, and towards the end they start feeling resentful. Aggressive people speak so loud and rudely, later to realize that they actually have damaged the relationship. On the other hand side, it's the assertive people with assertive communication. They ensure that their opinions are very well expressed, and in the process, they earn respect from the other person. Assertive people not only do all those things and get the respect, but they also earn trust. And that's where I say it's a sweet spot where you use your voice and maintain the dignity on both the sides. So most of you would be thinking why this skill matters so much. Let's understand this. This skill matters to all of us so that we all can say no without guilt. We can handle feedback / most importantly, those constructive criticism effectively, and we can speak up in meetings confidently and express our ideas without any hesitation. We can set boundaries to ourselves, respecting our precious energy and our space and vibe, and also without disrespecting someone else's. And guess what? These weren't taught to us earlier. Being a woman, and as a young professionals who all are watching this, or newbies who have just joined their career right now, we were always taught to be nice. We were taught to be going, to go with the flow and not to create scene. But you know what? It's good to be nice, but it's much better to express your idea with clarity. And guess what? You can be both. You can be nice, you can express yourself clearly, and that is the power of assertive communication. Now, let me give you a technique that you can start using by today itself. That is the usage of I statements. That means, for example, instead of saying, you always interrupt whenever I speak, with this tone that I just now use, start saying, I feel unheard. I'd really appreciate if I could finish my thoughts. In this way, people tend to listen more positively when you are not blaming the other person. There is no you always interrupt. There is nothing as you. Here we are using I statement, wherein we understand that I am not blaming anyone, but it's something that I'd appreciate. And that's what assertive communicators do. Assertiveness is just the beginning. On this channel, I'm going to unveil and teach all of you practical, real-world soft skills like how to communicate in the meeting spaces, communicate with techniques, how to set boundaries without being mean, how to handle difficult conversations, confidence building tools that actually work. No fluff, no jargon, just real talk, real strategies for real growth. I have taught students, professionals, and people from beauty pageants, and now I'm here to share the same with all of you on this channel. So, if you're ready to stop second guessing for yourself and you're already done by staying quiet and silent in most of the events and situations, and this time you want to voice up, then hit the subscribe button, get this video a like, and let me know in the comment section what is that one situation where you actually want to be assertive. Your voice matters, and let's have that space to grow together. And yes, let's not forget to make YouTube Baba happy just by liking it, commenting, and sharing it with your friends who actually need to hear this. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon in the next video where we will dive into the topic which says how to say no without feeling guilty. And I'm sure you don't want to miss it. See you soon there.